नमस्ते, सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज सब लोगों के साथ ईएस बैंक के बारे में। और ईएस बैंक जो बैंक ने Q3 का रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर करा, और आप लोगों ने देखा जो ईएस बैंक का शेयर है रेस्ट 32, वेंचर रेस्ट 47% अपसाइड post Q3 result. Ventura said the most remarkable aspect of the Q3 result was the extremely low provision cost, which stood at rest 22 crore, a dramatic reduction from rest 419 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 and rest 259 crore in Q3 financial year 2025. YES Bank Q3 performance highlighted it is the focus on margin expansion, assist quality improvement, and operational efficiency. Ventura said. Ventura Securities has retained its buy rating on YES Bank Ltd with a price target of $32, which implied 47% upside from the current market price of 22 level over the next 24 months. The brokerage valued the stock at 1.7 times financial year 2080 price to adjust book value. Venture Bank share at rest 32. Venture sees 47% upside post Q3 result. Venture said the most remarkable aspect of Q3 result was the extremely low provision cost, which stood at rest 22 crore, a dramatic reduction from rest 419 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 and rest 259 crore in Q3 financial year 2025.